How to remove websites or web content restrictions in Safari on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, make sure you go back to the main settings page. So go back to the main settings page. Then in here, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then we scroll down and up here. Then we tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games. Now we go down and tap on Web Content. Next, at the top here, you want to choose Unrestricted, and this will remove all the restrictions for websites and web content in Safari. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, if you go back to Safari, you should have no problem accessing the web pages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.